In the last 2-3 months, in the state of Andhra Pradesh, a targeted desecration of temples, idols, and some temple chariots is going on. If it is something that's happening in one small area or once or twice, one can understand it could be the act of madness or irresponsibility of some individual here or there. But the frequency with which it is occurring and over a wide area covering almost all the state, sometimes in Rayalaseema, sometimes in coastal Andhra, sometimes in north coastal Andhra, does give rise to a suspicion whether there is a method behind this madness. The recent incident that happened in Vijayanagaram district of Ramatirtham looks to be very targeted and deliberate, because the temple itself is a very ancient temple, 400-500 years old temple, and somebody should target the temple, get into the temple and desecrate the ideal of the Lord Rama is definitely a targeted attempt at rousing the sentiments of a particular section of people who believe in that religious systems. It's high time the state government really applies itself in full earnest, find out who are behind it and shares the information with public. It's very, very important that the government shares with the public whatever information it has. If facts and the real reasons are not shared with the public, and if rumors take over that place, that's not a desirable phenomenon. It happened in Chittoor, it happened in Nellore, it happened in East Godavari, now it's happening in Vijayanagaram and then again in East Godavari. So unless somebody is deliberately trying to do this, accidentally or on the spur of moment, these are things that wouldn't have happened with so much of a frequency on such a wide area, but confined to the state of Andhra Pradesh. I urge the state government to really apply themselves, because the fundamental duty of any government is maintaining social harmony, law and order, and ensure that communal peace is maintained. All other things come secondary. So if government says it's not able to really get at the behind what is happening, what is the conspiracy, who is responsible for it, after incidents happening in so many places over so much of a period of time, it doesn't speak volumes about the way the government is functioning. So I urge the state government to immediately take it seriously, unravel whoever is behind it and share it with the public. After all, India is a country where different faiths live, practice their respective faiths in a very harmonious manner. This harmony should not be disturbed, and this is the minimum that should be kept in mind while dealing with these incidents and taking action against those who are responsible for such incidents, and share with the public if there is a much wider conspiracy behind it. Thank you.